Here is the Hanse 575 called XIMERA. She's here at Berthon. She's come across the Atlantic and she's just been prepared for sale. She's a 2014 yacht and she is really a great yacht for the Caribs, Mediterranean and also for fast sailing. As you can see, she's got a platform and in there is room for a dinghy. A lot of these boats have Williams jet ribs. This yacht actually has davits as well, just to make things really easy for cruising. Up these steps and into this enormous cockpit, twin wheel. This area is all teak and very comfortable and ergonomically designed. The dinghy that goes with her is practically new and fits onto these davits. It was bought for the 2017-18 season. She's got throttle control there and also electronics control. She's running on B&G Zeus and she's got B&G VHF system and a Triton multifunctional sailing display. Now you're coming onto the deck, no teak decks, which is absolutely fantastic. Flush hatches, really easy to keep and maintain. She's got a large lazarette forward. The hull is gel coated and is in a very smart grey, which is easy to keep. Here's the anchoring arrangement, furling for the genoa. She's got a fully battened mainsail with a stack pack. Going to have a look in here. Some people might use it as crew accommodation. For this boat, it's a glorious store for everything that you need when you're out cruising, and there's access into the anchor locker at the front. You see the return on the bulwark, so she's a very safe boat at sea. Flush hatches, loads of places to sunbathe, self-tacking jib, which is lovely, and windows over the top of the main saloon, which means that the light floods in down below. Anodized spar, very straightforward, easy to keep. Sweatback spreaders, all looks good. She's powered by a Volvo Penta D3 110 horse and she's got a little over 2,000 engine hours. She has been used first in the UK, then in the Mediterranean, then did some work in the Caribbean and hence home. She's proved herself to be a very powerful ocean passenger. You see these solar panels and a great yacht for family sailing. She was also got ready to do some charter. Big bimini arrangement which gives good protection in the cockpit. Under deck leading of the lines, everything's been moused out so that it doesn't spoil. This is a really tremendous place. Great space for lounging around, eating, spending time. And the connection between the inside of the boat and the outside of the boat is very fluid. Lots and lots of space and easy access. Very easy to get onto the boat and down below on her. Now we are down below. Lovely cherry interior with laminate floor. Big chart table area, full comms, she's got generator, water maker, full air conditioning. She's got fusion entertainment, so she's a great boat for families. There's a great big TV in the main saloon. Good switching. She's been very much updated from the standard yacht. Now we're going to have a look at the main saloon. This table actually goes down and you can make it into a great big bed, and the flat screen comes it up on that return in the middle of the boat. Huge galley, big refrigeration, good cooking, loads of storage space. Microwave at the end there, twin sink, Avonite surfaces, all very good for spending time on board the yacht. Big refrigeration just there. Here we go. You've got chiller, freezer, fridge. Beneath the floors there's a huge amount of space for dry goods if needed, if you're going a long way. Now she's got a really good layout here with 3 cabins and heads compartment. But first we're going to have a look at the business end. You see the engine that's been serviced and laid up. Calorifier above. And really easy steps out onto the deck. That's access into the life raft stowage. Very neat. And then here you've got a skipper's cabin or upper and lower berth cabin with storage in it. This means that if you want to charter the yacht, this works really well. It's also great for small people. This is one of the double aft cabins. Access to the engine room space on your left. Nice big double. Lots of natural light. Good storage. I like the white bulkheads which lighten up the whole interior. The detailing and styling on this boat is very well done. And this is the heads compartment with shower, heads, funky basin. This is day heads for the 3 cabins at the aft of the yacht, and is very spacious. It's also very easy to keep clean and fresh. And then here is the other cabin, and as you can see there's a separated door to that heads compartment, so it can be a Jack and Jill heads if you wish. All the cabins have these fans. And this, you see what we mean about the access here. Generator. And then we're back into the main saloon, which is cavernous. And then walk forward into the owner's cabin. This interior woodwork is cherry. Lovely big double cabin. Love the ports in the hull. Lots and lots of storage and space. Do you see how there are all those cupboards up above the bed, as well as at the sides? Very, very big hanging locker, drawers on one side, lined in cedar. Then we go into the shower compartment, which is a separated compartment with nothing else in it. And then on the port side is a ensuite heads for the owner's stateroom. Very spacious, and again with funky sink. Back into the main saloon. Hanse 575 XIMERA from 2014, fully equipped for blue water and with a very high specification.